I'm out here waiting for, the barbecue. Chicken, sausage, potatoes, and I'm looking good. I didn't put you in yet. Maybe I will. The thing that the Insta360 Luna may not have is long press record cancellation. It doesn't have motion lapse where you could set a point and go across one point, do a time lapse. Maybe it does. Maybe I didn't see it. And maybe some of the things I'm looking for is not there. I'm understanding Dolby Vision, which I'm not shooting at. That's HDR. I just had to say, hey, what is it? Look it up and get it going. I thought this maybe would be, get the vlog going. Went for a car ride, got some zooming in, and this is auto tracking. Auto tracking is pretty awesome. It holds that camera locked in straight, tracking that item. And I was like this, tracking in zoom that far. I hope you enjoyed the video. See what I have to share for you, the barbecue and all. I'll see you then. We already zoomed out, so we could try to be centered. And we're going to zoom in and center in on the camp. Cooking with the Luna. You want to go in the grill? We'll be more than happy to do the barbecue test.